Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas and sa buong Asian countries. And kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga lahat na matutulog. At syempre, I know you had a great long day today. So those who are ready to sleep and ready to rest, okay. But if you have at least 12 minutes to join me here sa ating premiere, ay labis ko po kayong papasalamatan na po in advance. All right, let's proceed po sa second day ng ating topic. But before that, may I ask for your thumbs up? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. Alright, so second day na po natin ngayon. What are the benefits of being happy? Okay, so we deserve to be happy. That's because happiness is essential to all areas of our life, di ba? Happiness is very essential po mga masters and mga ka-G. Okay, including work, relationships, and physical and mental health. Importante po yan. So keep on reading on and learn. Listen and learn more about the benefits of being happy. All right, so number one, kahapon na explain na po natin ito pero hindi ko na po na startan talaga. Happiness leads to better physical health, right? Sorry. Happiness leads to better physical health. There are many proven health benefits of being happy. Marami po mga proven na po. Tested and proven na po yan. Okay? Study after study has proven that happier people enjoy better physical health throughout their lifetime. So the more happy you are, the more healthier you are. That's I think it's equal, reciprocal. Okay? Happy people spend less time in emergency rooms. All right? Does it make sense, or do you is it applicable on your part? Like happy people often or has spent less time in the emergency rooms and hospitals. Okay, take medicine less frequently. Okay, and have fewer health related work absences and are less likely to call their physicians. So those people that are happy have lesser health issues. Happiness is especially good for your heart health. Okay, good for your heart health. One study found that happy people have lower risks. They have lower risk of Ayan. Ang aking cursor po ay bumababa po. Nako, ano bang problema ng aking screen? Okay, it says here that people found out that people have a lower risk of dying from coronary heart diseases and stroke. People that are happy, even after taking into account other factors such as smoking, drinking, exercise, and body weight. So even though they have problems, they have habits or bad vices, but once they're happy, or people that are happier have lower risks of coronary heart diseases and stroke. Okay, so the research also showed that happiness leads to healthier cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. So po, I remember this. Okay, happiness can also avoid and prevent you, or they have lesser chances of having this cholesterol problems and blood pressure problems. Okay, so being happy also reduces the risk of heart failure. All right, so we have to be happy, mga masters and mga G, because it really helps us with our heart health. There was a study last 2014 investigated at the association between optimism and heart failure. Optimism is being positive. Okay, so may mga study po, kinumpare po nila yung mga taong optimistic or very positive or happy compared sa heart failure, or in relation to heart failure. After monitoring almost 7,000 participants for 4 years, 7,000 participants in 4 years, researchers found that high optimism levels reduced the risk of heart failure by 48%. Now it's very, very, very significant because it's 48% is almost half of the population. So 50%, malapit na po sa 50%. So it's a good percentage. So if you want to lower your risk of cardiovascular diseases and be physically healthy, work on your happiness. Ano po mga masters and mga G, this is very important. Okay? So this line is very important. That's why I really want you to understand this. So if you want to lower your risk of cardiovascular and be healthy, or cardiovascular diseases and be healthy physically, you're gonna be physically healthy, work on your happiness. We have to learn how to be happy po mga masters and mga kanji. All right. So next, let's proceed to the next topic, which is the number 2. So number 2 na po tayo. Helps happiness, boosts the. All right, my cursor is jumping. My cursor is jumping on my I don't know why, but my screen is jumping right now. It's really fast. So I really have to wait. No, it's okay. Number 2, mga masters and mga ka-G, is happiness boosts the immune system. Okay, happiness boosts the immune system. There is a link between your overall health and your immune system's ability to fight diseases and infection. There's a link, so meaning there's a connection. Okay, so a strong immune system is more likely to protect your health than a weakened one. So, syempre, papiliin ka saan ba yung mas maganda, yung strong immune system or weak immune system. So, obviously, the strong immune system makes you stronger. Then, it helps protect your health compared to kung ikaw po ay mababa yung iyong immune system. The best way to boost the immune system include eating a balanced diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. That's the best. Of course, we have discussed a few of those already. Okay, so research shows that embracing a happy lifestyle also strengthens your immune system. So if you have a healthier lifestyle, it boosts your immune system, it strengthens your immune system. One study found that your immune system's activity fluctuates based on how you feel. So po mga masters, listen to this. Our immune system, okay, fluctuates. It goes up and down. It depends on our mood and how we feel. One study, there's a study that they had 81 healthy graduate students received a hepatitis B vaccine. So 81 healthy graduate students receive a hepatitis B vaccine. After 5 months, the results showed that happier students were nearly twice as likely to get a high antibody response to the vaccination. So ito po, nag-respond po yung katawan nila. Those students that were happier, their response to the immunization was better. In another result, or another study, researchers exposed 193 people to a common cold. Ayun po, in-expose po sila sa trangkaso or sa cold. Diba? So, over the subsequent 6 days, after 6 days, the volunteers reported their symptoms and emotional state. So, they collected the data. Okay? So, the study concluded that volunteers who reported positive moods were 2.9 times less likely to get sick. So, yung mga happier na mga students, positive po yung kanilang mga feelings, 2.9 times less likely to get sick. So, if you want to boost your immune system, start boosting your happiness. Very, very important po mga masters yan. Okay? So, number 3, happiness promotes a healthier lifestyle. It's not just happy people are more likely to enjoy better physical health. Happiness also leads to happier lifestyle choices. Healthier lifestyle choices. Okay? May mga choices tayo kung anong lifestyle, what choices. You have choices on what lifestyle to choose or to follow. Okay? Happier people are more likely to exercise regularly. If you're happy, people are happier, they exercise more regularly. They eat more healthy diet or food and get enough sleep. And they also less likely to smoke or abuse drugs. That's what happier people do. One study of almost 10,000 adults found that happy people increased their physical activity and had a slower rate of decline in the physical activity than those who were unhappy. So mas maganda yung mga progress ng kanilang health. Another study showed that happy people are more likely to eat healthier foods like fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, and the link between happiness and healthy lifestyle choices is not surprising. When you feel good, you are more likely to take care of yourself. Kung maganda yung feeling mo, kung happy ka, mas gusto mong alagaan yung sarili mo, di ba? Does it make sense? Okay? So if you want to live healthy or healthily, focus on being happy. All right? So for now, mga masters and mga G, hanggang number 3 lang tayo. We'll see each other again tomorrow. But before that, I would like to invite you at 11 o'clock a.m. Philippine time later. I will be hosting the Baikulitan Premier Marathon. And of course, we have 4 more. We have 4 hosts for today. After me is RMTV 21. We have Bombs 2.0 and Merle Estani Vlogs. Thank you so much for the love and support. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. And again, this is G, the green girl, Ikiri Patuti Iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. Thank you so much. And God is great. Yahoo!